In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get a custom domain name for your Blogger site. Now, this is one of these things that people get really scared of because they think it's overly complicated, but it's not. It's really not. It's really straightforward, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see on the screen in front of you now, this is a sort of an information-based landing page I've created for this actual course, and I've called it How to Create a Website for Free. I've got my landing page image, my landing page video from YouTube playing automatically, and then I've got some information which I'm going to add some more videos to later on. So that's the layout of the page. But what I want to do is to instead of having the Blogspot address at the top of the page, I want to have something www.something.com or .biz or .info. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So what we do is come across to the blog overview for the individual site, and we come down the left hand side to the settings tab. Now within the basic settings tab, we can see we've got title, description, privacy, and then publishing, and it says blog address. Now as it stands, this is what is live on the website, how to create a website for free.blogspot.com. And underneath that it says how add a custom domain. So here it's automatically put in the blog address straight away, and it's got next to it .com. So I can check availability by clicking this orange button, and then it said it's not available. So I'm going to go back because I've done my homework on this one already. I'm going to say add a custom domain, and instead of how to create a website for free.com, I'm going to change it to .info. Now this is something that is set up with regards to the domain is available for .com, .net, .org, .info or .biz. So I'm going to select .info because I happen to know that's actually free. So what's happening is I'm going to create a domain, and as part of that I'm going to set up a Google Apps account. Now you will have to set up a Google Apps account, and it's just like registering with any online merchant. So it's like setting up an Amazon account. You've just got to affiliate some banking details to go with it. So I'm now going to check availability. Are you sure? Yes, leave this page. And there it says how to create a website for free.info is available, and there we can go. So I can continue with registration. Now this is all powered through GoDaddy.com, which is a registrar for domain names. Now all the way through we've always said less than $15, but there we go. It's actually $10 to register this for you, so it's less than $15. So I'm going to continue with the and eventually, once you've gone through the payment process of registering with Google Wallet and creating a Google Apps account, it will come up with this page, and it says you can now access your Google Apps domain. If you have any questions about your account, please visit the Google Apps Help Center. That really is the place to go to get all of your questions answered. And then it says here, click here to retrieve your purchase. So you've got to click on that to activate everything to ensure your domain is attached to your particular Blogger site. And then you come back to the settings tab, and it says your domain purchase is complete, your order is being processed by Google Checkout, and your credit card will be charged. Now that you've completed your purchase, you can use your Google Checkout account to shop quickly and securely at stores across the web. So that's all rather interesting, but the important thing is that now I have registered my domain name there. You can see in this area here, that will take about 24-48 hours to kick in and configure correctly, but I don't have to do anything else. All I have to do is just go back, view my blog. It hasn't recognized it yet, but it will kick in eventually, and that will say how to create a website for free.info.